actually love your card because it's midheaven. Midheaven represents what you have been trained to like in your life, what is success and who you have to be, how you have to behave out into the world. And your reading ends with the oracle card of Neptune, Vision, which is a major chaos card. So your first tarot card is a Seven of Swords. It usually represents that you have been chased by your own shadows. Everything that you really want and wish doesn't really feel right with you. It is not aligned with you. Then we have Page of Coins. Page of Coins is what you desire. Like somehow you go out into the world once you become adult and think, I would like to have something like that. And it is totally different from what you have been told to want in your life. And then we have the Hierophant. Hierophant is the teacher, the great teacher who receives knowledge from gods themselves and then they impart it to the world. So once when there became a division between gods and humans, there were these people who could still communicate with the god and they were able to impart the knowledge. Today we can call them scientists who go and do experiments for us to understand our own self. We are capable of understanding ourselves and it is because somebody carved a path for us. So as we speak about carving of paths, this is the process where everything that you have been told success is doesn't feel like success anymore. It feels like something to get over, something to leave behind, and you are running away from your own shadows. But you cannot ever run away from your shadows. You have to face them. You have to understand and sit with it and understand why it is there and how you can let it go. Anything that is going wrong in your life is because you have expected that it would happen eventually because you have been trained that way. But once you enter this mode where you suddenly understand that you deserve more, somehow you don't know why, and you start dreaming of having a better life, of becoming better than your own self, then you create chaos in your present system. Everything seems to go wrong, whereas it is not going wrong, it is just creating space for something better to come in. Neptune, vision. You have this vision which brings to you what you require, and you are the person who would walk this path of bringing to you what you desire, and you would be able to impart that knowledge to others. You are in a very strong position. The best teachers are those who have walked the toughest path and now can lead others the same way.